Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Artist Frenzy event in Plants vs. Brainrot. So, I thought like you had to find this. I don't know why, for some reasons, but we actually have to get the Brainrots here, and you'll get money first, but once you have completed everything, you'll get all of these. So right now, I will need Bandito Barbrito. It's an epic Brainrot. I think I haven't gotten it yet because, oh, never mind. I'm just going to deliver here. And next I need Ballerina Cappuccina, and then I'll get money and a water bucket, and I'll need to deliver that. And then once I've completed it, I'll get these special rewards. I don't know why I for some reason thought I had to get it from the like conveyor belt, but it turns out I just need to submit the ones that they need over here. I was so confused for some reasons, but yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh, sorry, wrong one. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.